Hello there. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. Now that I am all dressed and fully awake, here's Dawn. Face kinda beat a little bit, all dressed. Yes, baby's over there dressing. Can you say morning faves?
Morning faves.
Tyler, say morning faves.
He's watching Gypsy, disturbing him.
Tell us, say morning. Wow, say morning faves. You guys, so it's the day after the wedding, and I don't know if I told you guys, but we stayed at the chateau last night where the wedding reception was, and they gave us a room. So wow, dinosaur. Our friends that got married provide a room for us, so we didn't have to drove back to the city to my mother-in-law last night. So we stayed here last night, and it was pretty cool staying here because Tyler fell asleep and I was tired. So I just got down with him and he slept pretty well. We all slept well. So I'm just gonna show you guys where we stayed. Basically it's a mess in here right now, but just to give you an idea, this is where we slept. This is the room in here. Our suitcase is there. Okay, so come around here and you have the bathroom, which is here. You have a little tea section. We made tea this morning, and there's towels and stuff over there. Baby's over there brushing his teeth. And then around here you have the toilet. Here's a pretty cool place that we stayed last night. Very cozy and comfy. So yeah, we are still here. It's about after 10 a.m. and we're going to brunch with the newlyweds. I think a lot of family will be there and we're invited. So yeah, we're going brunch and to get some food in before we check out of the chateau and leave. Yeah, so I guess the French word for today, honey, is chateau. And what does chateau means? Chateau means castle. Okay, there you have it. So we're at a chateau, we're at a castle.
Chateau means castle.
Yeah. So it's like a little vineyard outside. You guys don't know what the vineyard is, then it's where you plant the grapes to make the wine. So hopefully I can get to show you outside a bit before we head to the brunch. But it's pretty a chill spot. It's a nice spot for wedding. Anyway, you guys, we hope you guys are having a good day and you guys are enjoying our little getaway vlogs. Love you guys. If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, make sure you subscribe. We'll be here for another few days before we head back home. So yeah, we'll catch you guys along today. So giving you guys a sneak peek of what outside of the chateau looks like. All those that you're looking at over there are grapes plant to make wine, and it's just all greenery, very cozy and romantic up here. The reception was in there last night. It's pretty.
No, not this one.
It smells like it.
No, this is like team. Yeah.
Bonjour. Bonjour. Désolée,
Bonjour.
So they're arranging back the outside the way it was with all the benches and stuff. So we're just taking a stroll off the property because yesterday we didn't really get to take it all in. It's a little bit chilly this morning, so we're wearing light jackets.
It's good when you're on the sun.
Yeah, but when you're not in the sun, it's a little bit chilly. Tyler, everybody's fond of Tyler. Tyler the star.
Look at these trees.
Look at these trees, you guys.
Well done. Like.
Pretty cool. We call these willow trees in Jamaica. Those, we call them willow trees. I guess some people not staying for the brunch because people driving out. Oh no, they're just parking close.
Great.
Great idea.
That's where we entering from.
Yeah. Property is very pretty. Right there. Pretty.
T'as pris ton petit déjeuner, toi déjà? Tu as mangé des croissants?
Non.
Non? Maman, t'as pas donné des croissants?
Non.
Qu'est-ce que t'as mangé alors?
J'ai gardé de manger des poissons.
Ah ouais, mais aujourd'hui, ce matin, tu as mangé des poissons?
Oui.
Hanman Karatamene. Hein?
Look, she's talking to you.
Qu'est-ce que tu as mangé ce matin?
Qu'est-ce que tu... Ah! J'étais sûre! J'étais sûre que tu nous cachais quelque chose.
Merci de même.
Yeah, look at that. All these grapes. It's kind of dark. Yeah. The thing with France, these trees are always shaped neatly.
Look.
Yeah, see. Oh, that's not the one that you blow. That's not that one. That's a different one. Right? You guys, let me show you grapes on trees. I'm just going over this vineyard just for you. Oh, the season is ending, but look, there is grapes. I wonder how they taste just picking them like this. It tastes like... Really? I'm gonna taste it.
Mama.
I'm afraid. Come, Ty. Yeah, it's drying up.
Because grape is something that you have to annually take it.
Wow, look at that big bunch. Let me show you guys that big bunch. See if I can zoom into it. Where is it? Where is it? Look at this big bunch right here. Oh, yes. Tractor? Tyler, I love tractor. And of course, he's fascinated by this one passing.
Look behind you.
Yeah, that's the view. So pretty. Out of the way, Tyler, go on the corner. There's a car coming. Gonna have brunch with the family, and this is a kids table, and then the adults table in this long one over here. Yeah, so it's food time soon. Brunch vibe, croissant and lots of French goodies. Over here is the same. And then you have juice and teas over here. If I follow myself, I eat croissant, about 100 croissants. I think this is like my fourth one. And I have ham. I just pick up ham in my plate. You guys, we're on to our next move. We left the castle and on our way to go see my sister-in-law and the baby. But can you guys tell how tired I am? Listen, there were so many food. So many food to eat just now, and we thought that was the end of food, but there were more food to come. There is no way I could have stayed and continue eating. I feel like I'm just going to burst open. Every time that I visit Avignon, this city where my where babe friends and family is, I feel like I put on 5 pounds. So many food, so much food, is crazy, and I'm so exhausted. I'm so tired, I can hardly keep my eyes open. But we're gonna stop to my sister-in-law right now. Tala's excited to see the baby. Excited to see the baby, Papa? Tala wants to see the baby so bad, and then we decide what's our next move from there. And I know that later on this evening I'm gonna see my other sister-in-law and my brother-in-law, because we're gonna have dinner with them. So it's a long day. It's just after midday and I feel like it's already night. That's how tired I am. Anyway, you guys, we're enjoying the trip either ways. Alright, babe. Kissy on the forehead one more time. Kissy. Hello, you cousin. Oh, you want your food? You want your food? You want your food? He's hungry.
He wants milk?
Yeah. He's hungry. You hungry? Yeah.
Me too.
What do you want? But he must be hungry, honey.
Did you feed him much this morning? I don't know.
Yeah, but he can't eat like we eat.
I don't know what he ate this morning. But he was 12, remember?
So
When we left.
he's not supposed to eat until what time again?
No, when he's at school, he might get a snack and then get dinner.
Do you want comfort? There's a comfort in the bag. Yeah, he's not fighting. He's not fighting. Because his hand is like this, and I think he's fighting him. He's not fighting. That's how babies does that. Ah, why? Gosh. Alright. Tell her he's Mama coming with it, okay? Yeah. He's hungry. Tell us that he's fighting. Oh, why? Mama come in.
C'est vrai que c'est chiant ça, hein. Des fois c'est bon pavé, des fois c'est Avignon.
It's
Des
milk.
fois comme je fais généralement directement sur internet.
Hold it under the bottom.
Ou sinon ça te met mon pavé. Des fois tu sais même plus sur quel truc là. Je sais pas si c'était Avignon. Des fois tu mets Avignon, tu reçois pas ton courrier. Tu mets mon pavé, sinon tu reçois pas le courrier. Je comprends rien. Moi encore l'adresse que j'ai, heureusement c'est.
It's cloudy.
Il y a que deux adresses comme ça. Il y a Avignon et sinon il y a dans le nord. Donc du coup.
Que du lait.
Ah, dis donc.
Que du lait.
C'est par exemple, t'as vu, j'ai récupéré des vraies familles.
So, change of plans with our afternoon scheduling for today. I think you guys last saw me at my youngest sister-in-law, and then we were supposed to go to my oldest sister-in-law for dinner, but she's not feeling so well, so we won't go to see her again. But I think we're gonna go to my brother-in-law, and that's where we're gonna spend the night until another eventful day today. So we're back at my mother-in-law's house. Baby's over there chilling, relaxing. Everybody's so tired, and Tala is in the living room having a blast with mom and the dog. With mom and the dog as usual. So we're just here relaxing before we head out again to the brother-in-law, I think. Anyway, you guys, catch up and keep up. We're at my brother-in-law's, and Tyler and his stepson. He's having a blast. He couldn't wait for Tyler to reach. Look at them. That's my brother-in-law right now. Tyler, come, let me fix your pan. Tyler is eating dinner. Tyler, what you eating?
Là, il est dans le siège.
What you eating? Yeah, and beans and turned cornmeal. You eat it. For you, yes, let's see. Just in case you guys don't know, turned cornmeal is a big thing in France. French love turned cornmeal, so that's what we're having for dinner. Turned cornmeal and veggies and chicken stir fry. You guys, look at this dessert. Oh my god. She's a baker as a profession.
Déjà, la première chose, le prix.
So she make these.
Attends, l'année dernière, on lui a acheté des Playmobil.
She make the prettiest cakes.
Oh, des fois,
I'll link her Instagram down below in the box, in the description box, in case you guys are in this part of France and want to order customized cakes, desserts. She can do it. Look how pretty that looks. Make you don't even want to eat it.
Non, mais aujourd'hui ils ont mangé le. J'en suis désolé dans le sens.
You guys, I'm just coming at the end of the vlog real quick, and I'm talking low because everybody's off to bed and the rooms are pretty close, so hopefully you guys can hear me. It's the end of another day and looking forward to a long day tomorrow, so everybody else is going to bed and I'm just here answering messages so that I can go to bed. So I'm just telling you guys thanks for watching, and hopefully you guys enjoyed today's vlog. We're at my brother-in-law right now and we'll be here until tomorrow for another adventure. So if you guys want to see more of the family, stay tuned, subscribe if it's the first time to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, catch up and keep up, and of course we'll see you guys tomorrow. The boys are sleeping.